Mechanic tip of the day. We're going to be doing some wiring on this 1979 Firebird, and I'm wiring up the speakers, but I also want an OCD with my wiring. So I'm going to show you a really neat trick on how to clean up your wiring that anyone can do. All you're going to need is a dowel rod and some electrical tape. You are going to start off by kind of wrapping it in there, and then you want to fold it back over and then get a bunch, however much you need. Cut the excess off. Find your wires. Make sure that they are nice and tight together. Get your dowel rod on there. Pull the tape back a little bit. And then just wrap around. If you need to get in a smaller spot, all you need to do is just get a smaller dowel rod. Super simple. And it gets the job done. And there you have it. Nice tight wrap. There it is, nice and tightly wrapped.